Okay.
I hope it's worth your while to do it, right?
Yeah. Well, it always helps to get a second look.
Oh, definitely.
She just had limited time when she was here.
That's too bad.
The washer and dryer. They have exchanged out, moved their furniture down stairs and replaced so only different tiles is here and in the master bath. Otherwise, it's the same tile throughout. And second bedroom. Here is the guest bath. And this is what could potentially be third bedroom or office. It has the pull-around door. Big lanai. No AC units do I see down, and I will walk around back just to verify for you. Master bedroom. Sorry. And then you have two closets. A nice walk-in. And second closet. Linen. Master bath. Tissue holder.
If I'm in your way, let me know. I'm so exhausted.
You're absolutely fine. Don't you worry. And then I'm just coming out here to the entryway. Okay, I'll go over to the pool and take some video there. Thank you.
Oh, you're